Except the class boolean, all the wrapper classes has a special field named size, which stores the size of the corresponding data type in bits. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 19 of Java and Web, wrapper classes in Java. The field size stores the number of bits used to represent a given data type. The field size in all the wrapper classes are public, static and final. The field size always returns int, means integer. In the class byte, the field size stores the value 8, that is the size of the byte in bits. In the class sort, the field size stores the value 16, that is the size of the data type sort in bits. In the class integer, the field size stores the value 32, that is the size of the data type integer in bits. In the class long, the field size stores the value 64, that is the size of the data type long in bits. Similarly, in the class float, the field size stores the value 32, that means the size of the float in bits. In the class double, the field size stores the value 64, that means the size of the double in bits. In the class character, the field size stores the value 16, that is the size of the character in bits. The field size is not present in the class boolean. Since the field size is always public, static and final, that's why we can use the field size just by using corresponding class name. In our program, sometimes you may not remember the size of a given data type. In that case, you can use the size field to find the size of a given data type. Let's use these size variables, the size fields of various wrapper classes in a Java program. Open first.java and here we are printing the size of the class byte. Similarly, here we are printing the size of the class sort. Similarly, here we are printing the sizes of integer, long, float, double and character. The field size is not defined for the class boolean. Try to compile this code. Java C first.java. It compiles fine, now run it. Java first. It runs fine and printing the sizes of various data types. Size of byte, size of sort, size of integer, size of long, size of float, size of double and size of character. The field size is not present in the class boolean. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.